everyone. So we have came up with one more invoice format on TranZact. So the previous one was legacy. Now we have came up with a compact as well. So let me show you how you can switch into them and how you can see those invoices. Let me show you. So you need to go to browse modules and click on settings. Now once you will go in settings, click on documents and template setting. Now here is the option of changing the invoice template. So one is compact and another is legacy. Legacy is the previous invoice which you were seeing, which was used earlier. Now we have came up with a compact as well. So let me show you how the compact will look like. Go to our sales and purchase, and here is one of our dummy invoice which is created. Let me show you on the same. So once I will open this particular invoice, please check. This is how it will look like. So we have made some changes like in the logo, then after the tax invoice on the right, invoice from here, then after a break here provided. Now if you will go ahead and just print this particular invoice, please check. This is how it will look like. As you can add more details in the same, and it will remain on the same page as well. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to use our multiple invoice template. Have a good day ahead.